This is Jack McKenna with Land Data Plus. The topic is the Chinese Trojan horses, DJI drones in US airspace. DJI, made in China. DJI Dajiang Innovations manufactures drones in Shenzhen, China, the country's tech hub. The US Department of Defense, DoD, and various private US drone operators have used, possibly still using DJI drones for mapping and surveillance. This raises security concerns, or it should raise security concerns about potential data transfer to China. The high-altitude balloon over the US in 2023. A Chinese balloon traversed US airspace, triggering fears of surveillance. However, the DoD later confirmed the balloon did not transmit data during its flight. It stored data on board and used a US internet provider for navigation only. The DoD conclusion: no real-time intelligence transfer was detected. All right then, everyone resting assured. Oh, news alert. Brooklyn Bridge is now available for purchase at a very affordable price. DJI drones in US airspace. Reports suggest DoD-operated DJI drones are active in US skies. This raises questions. Is DoD still using Chinese-made drones? Suggestion: DoD should ensure internal policy alignment with security standards that ensure US DJI drone operators do not transfer data to China. 2 Chinese Trojan horses ejected. There was a DoD ban on DJI drone acquisitions, and there's a ban on Chinese software engineers within DoD contracts. But the door was left open. Private sector DJI drone data security remains unverified. Neanderthal drone operators. A webinar by SimActive and Trimble experts, Precision Matters in Drone Imagery Acquisition. However, some UAS operators, Neanderthals, remain unaware of the need for ASPRS standards compliance, awareness of sunspots, IMU errors, and ionospheric impact. Is Neanderthal drone data secure from transfer to China? This highlights the need for stricter training in drone operation and operational oversight and purging of Neanderthal drone operators. The real Trojan horse. True danger lies in complacency, not espionage. Overconfidence in secure systems ignores evolving cyber risks. Vigilance, verification, and professional competency remain the best defenses. The Trojan horse drone concept, THI. If the Chinese ever built a drone shaped like a Trojan horse, they'd probably call it the THI Trojan Horse Info. Closing quote: security isn't lost in a single breach. It's surrendered one blind assumption at a time. Made by Jack McKenna. Additional comprehensive land administration information is available in the Jack McKenna book, A Land Administration Toolkit, available on Amazon. My email address is jack_mckenna@landdataplus.com. Thank you for your time and attention.